Off to the shop. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Mike.
I'm Memphis. And I'm Wyatt.
Today we are going to be starting our go-kart rebuild series on this channel. So you guys stay tuned. All right, thank y'all for sticking with us. Today is going to be video one of our go-kart kind of rebuild, refresh, I guess you could say. We bought this go-kart used a month ago when we moved into the new farm. If you're new to the channel, you can catch that video. I'll put a link below. We just recently moved into this new shop, and hopefully you're going to start a bunch of new projects and just fun stuff with the boys. So today is the go-kart, and we did buy a two-seater kind of rail dune buggy type go-kart. It has the seat belts in it and the top roll cage on it, which is why I went with this one, knowing it needed a lot of work. And we have done some stuff to it already, but it still needs a lot of work to run. We've driven it a little bit. It just kind of, at this point, it's kind of fallen apart a little bit, I guess you could say. So Memphis, what have we done to this go-kart so far?
So far, when we first got it, we drove it for a minute or two, and the clutch just shut down. Yeah. So we got a new clutch, and we were putting it on. We got the wrong one, so we had to get another clutch. And you see this right here. This is the clutch of a go-kart. We did not get a new chain yet. We will get one soon, and we got a new tire. Yeah. So we can get more traction, because when we first got it, all the tires were bald. It was all slick.
Yeah, so the tires were very slick when we got it. It just kind of didn't have any maintenance ever done on it, and it was left out in the rain a lot, so everything was kind of rusted. Like this. So when we started driving it and actually riding it, everything kind of just started falling apart. So we've done that so far. We've lubed everything so far, and today, Memphis, let's tell them what we're doing today.
We're putting on the bearings. See this right here? We got some new ones right here. We're gonna stick those on the both front tires, and hopefully it drives better.
Yeah, so he was driving it like the first week, and the actual front tire like fell off the go-kart and like rolled away. So what happened was the bearings pretty much just disintegrated. You can see right there, they're gone, and they go inside this tire right here. And these new bearings sit on this spindle. So today's project, switch out the bearings on the front of this go-kart. Walter, what is this gonna do? What's that gonna do? That's a hose.
It's nothing to do with it. He's like, that needs to go there so it can go inside the tire, a tube.
So let's make sure that these fit in here. You can see how that has that
little crack
right there. Little lip smushed in. Yeah, so that's gonna take a little bit of work. Before we hammer these into the hub, hey, make sure they slide on that spindle. Make sure they fit on the axle before we hammer them in the wheel. You take this round file. See how it's getting shiny right there?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, get that little, we have to knock that lip down. Now, so we don't want to take too much material off with the file. So see how that lip is still there? See how that lip is still there?
Yeah.
Just give it a little punch. Bend it out just a little bit. It's close. couple more.
Do you use these?
Alright, Memphis, open this up. Alright, it's a bearing driver, so get your bearing and find which one fits right on top of that bearing, because you never want to hit your bearing with a hammer. So you never want to hammer right here, because that is a seal and the ball bearings in there, so you can mess it up. So always use your aluminum bearing driver. So put that on top. Alright, get it straight. Put your driver on there and put your T handle, and then slowly start hammering in just a little bit at a time.
The other one shouldn't be too hard, because it's not cut that lip. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's in there. There you go. That one wasn't too hard.
Perfect.
Out. First wheel.
Nice, dude.
Let's get that on. So the first tire, the bearings went on pretty easily. So since we have 4, we're just gonna go ahead and put them on this other tire, so it doesn't happen again.
Nice. The front bearings went in pretty smooth. We got them both replaced on the front, as you saw. The boys did, since it came with 4 bearings. Now, if you can see on the front, the tires definitely need an alignment. This one's almost pointing straight, and this front tire is pointing way out. So we are going to pull these in. Pretty simple. You just do it by eye and tighten these up to where your both tires are pointing straight, and we'll keep it that simple. All right. See that top nut spinning? The bolt. You gotta hold that too with the wrench, that white head. So now we're gonna twist this tie rod in, and it'll pull this side in just a little bit toward both. Then you put the nut back in, and you just look at it with your eyes, see if they're both straight. Probably need to go a little bit more, huh?
Yeah. Can I put on my side?
Ooh, it's gonna be fast, Memphis. It's gonna be fast.
The work was actually really fun, but what's gonna be...
Yeah, it was pretty easy. It wasn't that hard.
Yeah, but the work was really fun.
Yeah, like the day you filled it up, the day,
Plenty.
yeah, the day after you filled. He's having video. Ready?
Yep. Yeah, here we go.
All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Now I gotta go chase these rascals around. Please like and subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.